Every morning, India rises, buildings breathe, homes wake up, and somewhere between the ground and the sky, movement begins. For over 3 decades, we've been part of that rise. Behind every seamless ride, there's precision. Behind every precision, there's purpose. At Emperor Lifts, engineering comes together with craftsmanship. In a state-of-the-art facility where every cabin, controller and door is designed, fabricated and tested under one roof. Homes, hospitals, offices, industries. Every space is different, but every journey deserves the same quality of lift. From compact home elevators to heavy-duty goods lifts, from hospital stretcher lifts to panoramic glass cabins. Emperor builds solutions for every kind of rise. Innovation is our constant movement. At Emperor's dedicated R&D center, our engineers rethink every detail, from shaft optimization to power efficiency, from smoother doors to smarter controls. Because reliability doesn't happen by accident. It's designed, tested, and built into every system we make, and perfected at site, where real execution defines real trust. Every movement begins with the people who lead it. It began with the vision from Mr. Balaji to build elevators in India for India, a legacy carried forward by Arjun Balaji, bringing new technology, design thinking, and customer-first innovation to a brand built on trust. Together, they lead a 200-member team, one that believes engineering is not just about movement, but about purpose. A lift doesn't end with installation. It begins there. With Pan-India service, preventive maintenance and modernization, backed by a service-first culture and 24/7 local technical support, our teams keep thousands of lifts running safely and silently. Because reliability is not a feature, it's our responsibility. Across cities and generations, we move with one belief: that progress must be built here to rise everywhere. 10,000 plus lifts, 30 plus years, countless journeys made effortless. Emperor Lifts, built here, trusted everywhere.